Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all the products that I got from YesStyle. So it's like a haul video and I'm also going to try the products inside. So let me show you what I got. So firstly, I got this hair curler set and it also comes with the instruction paper and teaches us how to use it. So this one is a dry curler, so that means we can just put this on at night and in the morning you are going to get the curls. So the next item I got is this Ginseng Moist Sun Serum, and also at the same time it should have some UV protection with SPF 50 plus and PA4 pluses. And the next item I got is this one. So this one is from LANEIGE. It's the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream. So this one is for normal to dry skin. It claims to be 100-hour moisture retention tested, and it is supposed to be an intensive moisturizing cream which can replenish dry and sensitive skin with moisture. I think this is perfect for cool weather. And the next items I bought are these eyeliners from Peripera. So it is the Ink Thin Brush Liner. I got two of them because one is a number 1 black and the other one is number 2 brown. And the last item I got is the face mask mixing kit. So I do have some mask that needs to be mixed and I lost the old mixing bowl, so I got this one. It comes with brush and also some spatula to mix it. So that's great. So I'm excited to try all this product. I'm going to try them and then I'll tell you how I feel about them. So this one is the LANEIGE Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream, and this is for normal to dry skin. So it looks very pretty, very nice packaging, and inside comes with a spatula or a scoop for the cream and the paper with details on it about the ingredients and the directions to apply. So we need to use after applying serum or eye cream, and then take out an adequate amount using enclosed spatula, this one, and then gently apply along the skin texture from center of the face onwards. Lightly press the skin in the order of cheeks, forehead and chin using the palms to help the skin absorb the product. So this is new. Maybe I moved it too much. It's very smooth. I think just a little amount is enough. And it has a very light fragrance. I think I applied too much, it's a little bit sticky. It's starting to smell like sea salt. And it is a little bit sticky. So now my skin has absorbed the cream, so it is less stickier than before. And it feels very supple and hydrated. This is the Ginseng Moist Sun Serum with SPF 50 plus and PA4 pluses, and this one is from Beauty of Joseon. So there are the directions and ingredients on this side. It says to apply as the last step of skincare and take appropriate amount and spread it evenly over skin exposure to UV. It has a very slight herbal scent. So it is a moist serum but with UV protection. Also it has Panax ginseng root extract, that's 26.25%, and then niacinamide 2% and adenosine 0.04%. And this is 50 milliliters. It's very soft now and also not that sticky, but I can see the finish is really shiny. So this one is the face mask silicone mixing kit and there are 5 items inside. So it comes with a mixing bowl, and then a measuring cup. So this one can be used to scoop the powder face mask and then measure the liquid. Is the mixture. Brush to apply the mask. This one is also another applicator. So these are the 2 ink thin brush liner from Peripera, and one is in black and the other one is in brown. So if you turn it over, then you will see in the packaging which one is the black one and which one is the brown one. So the black one is number 01, black Noir, and the brown one is 02, brown film. So they claim that this is a smudge proof brush liner that easily creates precise thin eyelines without smudging even if you wink. So to use it, we have to shake it first and then apply it on our eye. So sometimes the makeup products like foundation or concealer on the tip can affect its function. So they suggest that we wipe it out and then apply it. The number are also on the different sides. The packaging is very clear. The black eyeliner, the black Noir comes in the black color tube, and then the brown film comes in the brown color. So this is the black one, very pigmented. This one is the brown one. So the eyeliners have dried. So it is smudge proof and I'm applying a lot of force. And the last item I got is this hair curler, and it comes with an instruction paper which we can read and follow step by step. So first we have to place this sponge rod in the middle of the head and secure it with the clip that's provided with the set. And then I'm using small sections of my hair and rolling it to the one side of the rod. So I think it's better to use smaller sections so that I can get better curl than using a large section which can provide less curls. So at the end, I'm going to tie the end of my hair using the scrunchie that's provided. As it was my first time trying this item, so it is a little bit messy, and I did have to move the clip away so I can roll the other side more effectively. So I'm repeating the steps for the other side as well. I'm taking small portions of hair and rolling it to the sponge rod. The set comes with 2 hair ties, so I'm securing the end with the remaining hair tie. Then I did a little bit of fixing and went to bed with the sponge rod. In the morning, this is how my hair looked. So the shorter hair did not stay in position and it came out as I was sleeping. So I took off the hair ties and then slowly pulled out the curls, and this is how it looked. So I was quite impressed with the curl, so it exceeded my expectation and the curls were really nice. If I had made the upper part tighter as well, I think I would have more curls, but I'm okay with this style where I have curls on the lower end of my head. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.